If you thought 2024 was wild, buckle up. 2025 is rewriting the rules of marketing with AI. Let's dive in. Dynamic content is taking personalization to the next level, adapting in real time. Imagine your marketing campaigns changing as fast as your audience's mood. Say goodbye to traditional SEO. Generative AI is reshaping how we find information online. It's time to toss the old playbook. Video marketing just leveled up with AI-driven production tools. Personalized, shoppable, and live-streamed content is now at your fingertips. Virtual influencers are becoming a thing. AI-powered personas engaging your audience in meaningful conversations? Yep, it's happening. Privacy-first personalization is the name of the game. Balancing data transparency with trust is key to winning customer loyalty. And those basic chatbots? Outdated. Say hello to AI assistants that handle complex queries with natural language processing. From sophisticated sentiment analysis to real-time optimization, AI is supercharging every aspect of marketing. Ready to revolutionize your strategy? Embrace AI in 2025 and let's make marketing magic happen.